Julia, how can we make this spring break fun still for our kids?
Picnics are just a nice way to kind of switch things up, get some fresh air, and also make some kind of fun picnic food that you might not normally eat. Today we're doing our sandwich cakes. You want to make sure you start with a larger size loaf, and I've also got my baker to slice it for me horizontally. We're just going to spread the cream cheese on. So second layer is going to be our smoked salmon.
I love, love, love smoked salmon.
We're going in with our radishes. I'm going to show you one that I iced earlier.
So would you actually eat this like a sandwich, or do you eat it with a fork, like a cake?
I eat it with a fork like a cake. Now for the decorating, we're going to use all of the ingredients that we put inside of the cake for the outside of the cake. If you have extra leftover salmon, I'm going to show you how to make a salmon rose.
We're getting fancy, ladies and gentlemen. Julia, will you accept this rose?
I will!
And you too can learn how to make beautiful food like this. Join Chef Giulia Lombardo virtually. Check out her Instagram for details on how to join her next class.
Okay, how do I eat this, Julia?
I just made slices. So I refrigerated it, and then I used a serrated knife. I cut just even little slices, just like that.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna let you do it the more civil way, and I'm gonna do it more like my 9-year-old way. Wow, look at this cake slice! I'm going in, I'm going in. Cheers! Mm.